A really exciting step forward in cleaner aviation is coming out of France, and it's starting to feel very real now. Aura Aero, the company behind this project, has just secured approval to build a brand new factory at Toulouse-Francazal Airport. This isn't just another facility, it's a major move that could help launch a whole new generation of sustainable, high-performance aircraft built right in France. At the center of all this is a 19-seat, hybrid electric regional aircraft called ERA. Now, building something like this is no small challenge, especially in today's global environment. But Aura Aero is clearly committed to making it happen. ERA is designed to sit right between the emerging world of eVTOL air taxis and traditional regional aircraft that still rely on conventional fuel. What makes ERA so interesting is how it blends the best of both worlds. You get some of the flexibility and efficiency you'd expect from eVTOL concepts, but with the range and performance of a proper regional aircraft. Thanks to its hybrid electric propulsion system, ERA is expected to fly nearly 1,500 kilometers on a single trip, while cutting emissions by up to 80%, compared to current aircraft in its class. It also brings some practical advantages that could really change how regional travel works. With the ability to take off and land in about 800 meters, ERA can use shorter runways and even less developed airfields. That opens up a lot more destinations that larger aircraft simply can't reach. On top of that, it's being built as a smart aircraft, using real-time data to optimize each flight for efficiency and performance. The technology inside is just as impressive. It features advanced fly-by-wire controls paired with automation systems designed to improve both precision and safety. The electric propulsion system is being developed by Safran, which adds another layer of reliability and expertise to the project. The new factory in Toulouse is a big part of making all this happen. Spanning over 50,000 square meters, it's being designed with strong environmental standards in mind, staying true to Aura Aero's focus on sustainability. But ERA won't be the only aircraft coming out of this facility. Aura Aero is also producing a family of training and aerobatic aircraft under the Integral name. This includes different versions, like the nose wheel model, the tailwheel R, and even an all-electric version. All of these will be part of the production lineup at the new factory alongside ERA. And this isn't just a France-only effort. Aura Aero has already started expanding internationally, with a facility in the United States located at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University's Research Park in Daytona Beach, Florida. This site will serve as the company's U.S. headquarters, along with handling deliveries and customer support. There are also plans for a second facility in Florida that will focus on production in the future. For now, the main focus is getting the Toulouse factory up and running, with operations expected to begin by 2028. It's a long road ahead, but everything seems to be lining up for ERA to become a key player in the future of regional air travel.